Here's a 2017 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement too. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Theta 2 engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth, external memory control, aluminum wheels, USB port, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds that passengers and drivers alike benefit from well-contoured seats and adequate head and legroom. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.